In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google Ads account. Verification helps prove who's behind your ads, keeps your account in good standing, and in some regions, it's required to keep campaigns running. The process is quick once you know where to look, so let's walk through it together. Start by opening your Google Ads account and confirming you're signed into the profile that manages the ads you want to verify. If you work with multiple accounts, glance at the account name or ID in the top navigation to be sure you're in the right place. It also helps to have basic business details ready, like your legal business name and address, so you won't have to pause mid-process. Next, head to Billing. Depending on the current interface, you'll find Billing in the left-hand menu, or you can click the Tools icon near the top and choose Billing from the drop-down. This is where Google centralizes payment settings, account status, and the verification workflow. Inside Billing, look for Advertiser Verification. It might appear as a card, a banner, or a link labeled Advertiser Verification or Get Verified. Click it to open your verification dashboard. If you don't see it, your account may already be verified or verification might not be required yet. In that case, you can check your account status within Billing and return later if Google prompts you. From here, follow the on-screen tasks. Google guides you step by step. Typically, you'll confirm whether you're verifying as a business or an individual, enter your legal name and address, and upload any documentation requested. Make sure every detail matches exactly across your account and your documents. Even small differences in spelling, abbreviations, or address formatting can cause delays. Use clear, readable scans or photos, avoid glare or cropping out edges, and submit only what's asked for. As you progress, you'll see indicators showing where you are in the process. If you need to pause, you can usually come back and pick up where you left off. After you submit, the review can take a few days. To check how things are going, return to Billing and open Advertiser Verification. If something is rejected, don't worry. Google will explain what needs to be fixed, and you can update and resubmit right there. To recap, open your Google Ads account, go to Billing, select Advertiser Verification, and complete the on-screen tasks. Keep your details consistent, follow the prompts carefully, and monitor your status in Billing. Once verified, you'll be set up for smoother ad delivery and stronger account trust. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your verification.